We're back with Clinton Kelly. We're whipping up a quick cocktail. We're calling this the Salish Sea Breeze. The Salish Sea is right out my window right here. It's right here on the Puget Sound. And this one's interesting. Have you heard of this saline solution? Have you heard this?
This is a new thing in drinks, adding a little bit of saline to them. Yeah, I like it.
So saline's like salt. It's like salting your drink. And the way we made this is we took 1 cup of water, a third a cup of salt, boiled it, cooled it down, and put it in a little eyedropper thing. Not like I have these lying around, but exactly. Yeah. Also works on exactly. But it makes sense from a chef perspective because it's almost seasoning for cocktail.
Well, it's why you put salt in your sweet recipes. Salt brings out the sweetness in baking. Yeah.
I can tell with chocolate chip cookies and brownies and things, if you just add a little salt, it takes. All right, so we've got a shaker here loaded with ice. We've got a little honey here infused with rosemary. So that's gonna go in. We got a little bit of lemon juice. Clinton, you wanna pour that puppy in right there?
There it is,
Yep.
Sure.
And then give me 2 ounces of your favorite gin.
Okay.
Yeah, I got this little for you right here. Give it a little shaky poo.
Sure.
And then this is important. We say this on a lot of episodes. Shake it with 1 ice, pour it over a different ice so it doesn't dilute it. So that just goes right over the top. This is gonna be beautiful. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like a little lemonade.
Was that maybe not 2 ounces?
That's all right. That's all right. And then we're gonna give it a little floater of some just bubbly. That looks great.
All right. Yeah, that seems about the right ratio there. Yeah.
And it's nice to do a little floater like that. And then I've got just a little rosemary that we infused into the honey, but it just kind of echoes that. Tuck that in. A little bit of beautiful lemon zest. And cheers, bud.
Cheers. Yeah. Yay. Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, that's good. That is good. All I have to say, it is rare to be able to host the host. You are the quintessential host at home, making people feel comfortable, but for years on television, making us all just feel invited and warm. Obviously, it comes from your upbringing, but you are such an amazing guy. So thank you for letting us host you. Thank you for letting us host you guys here in the studio and you at home. We will see you next time. Cook on the Coast, guys. Let's go, dude.